I'm going to show you 3 ways to wear a scarf as a top, not where it looks like you're wearing a scarf as a top. First one being this, second one being this, third one being this. First things first, let's start with this beautiful Brides to Gala Wash scarf. This one still has the tag, so please join me in this satisfying experience. Put 2 of the ends together, so you have a triangle like this. Separate these ends and tie them in a knot, just like that. And then this is the part that will go around your neck. I just secured this with a knot. Take the ends here, tie them in a knot, and there you have it. 2. Start with a triangle, and then you can separate the 2 sides. You're going to secure them behind your neck. After that, you can just tie it in a knot behind your back. The other thing I like to use is these little rubber bands for your hair. It doesn't damage the scarf, and it just kind of gives a better hold sometimes, I think. And here we have number 2. And also I love that the name is here too. It's kind of cute. Lastly, we're going to use 2 scarves. So these are 2 90s, and you're just going to together 2 corners, it doesn't matter which corners, and tie them together in a knot. We have our knot. I'm going to put it over my shoulder. Take this first one and just tie it in a knot behind your back. I want it to be a little more cropped, so I'm just going to bunch it up like this and tie the knot. Take this scarf that's behind my back, tie it in a knot in the front. Option number 3, and I love that it's a closed back. Let me know what else you want to see.